It's 2 o'clock in the morning at the resort. This is probably as quiet as we'll see it the entire trip. We've got good things going today.
Just when we get to the
Just look at that coming out. I switched to my GoPro now because there's a lot of people and it looks like the sun's gonna come right up there. I think I've got it aimed right. We'll see. It's cold. Hello world, it is your Uncle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Haleakala National Park. I practiced that at least 14 times before I did this intro. Now I'm doing my intro a little bit after the fact. I'm here to watch the amazing sunrise that happens at this park. Now, at this point when I'm doing the intro, it's been done, it's already, you can see it over there in the distance. But we're gonna backtrack a little bit, let you see the sunrise. Probably do a little bit more adventures today, I don't know. We're just kind of starting the day, but inviting you all to join me on this little adventure today. Already got our tickets. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along. Climbing the mountains in Hawaii, or a mountain, more than the point. Oh my goodness. That was a heck of a turn, and we're at 3,000 feet now. I'm not sure if you can see the lights of the city down below. It's quite beautiful from here. Looks like we are here. I hope that's in focus. Oh, and we have a Nene crossing sign here. Look at this. Now we're just waiting to get into the park. Lots of people want to come up and see the sun come up. Reservations required. 3 a.m. I hope my camera's capturing how cool this is right here. Here we go, these purple lights. Okay, so far I have the camera set up and we're going to do some time lapse. But I'm not kidding, it's cold here. And good morning, sunshine. We've got a full-on sunrise now. Beautiful. I just want to show you how nice and bundled up Michelle is right now, and she's smart because she brought a wool hat and a scarf. I did not. Look at my face, how pink it is because I'm freezing here. But it was worth it. And it's not like we're not used to this weather in Buffalo. Just didn't expect to come to Hawaii and be like 40-degree weather. Totally worth it. So worth coming out here this early and in the cold to get this picture because the sun is beautiful. And, my cameras aren't doing it justice at all. Just having to get this panoramic shot from up on the mountain here. A couple observatories there in the distance. Yeah, look at that view from 10,000 feet. There's the ocean right there. There's all the ocean. You got people climbing up here. So you can see now, that's the platform we were up watching that sunrise. Yeah, I do love those views. Absolutely gorgeous. Now we can see it since it's not dark. There's the platform up above. All my videos that I shoot from the car. It's like being on top of the world. The Volcano did this, just so y'all know. Sometimes you get so wrapped up in the big things, you miss the little things. Hello, beautiful. Yeah, there's no guardrail on this side of the car, so it's a nice far drive down if you swerve. If you look, you can see all the switchbacks climbing to the top of the mountain where the observatory is. I think we stopped counting at like 7. Back and forth, back and forth. So look at this delicious meal we just got for breakfast, but it's not just the meal that makes it awesome. Look at this view from our table. This is the way to eat breakfast. Well, it's starting to rain and we're all tired. At least it's a really nice ride back to the resort. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for more adventures in Hawaii. I've got a whole bunch of them coming. Till next time, signing off from Maui, Hawaii. Bye-bye.